prunes and raisins. These were soaking from last year in some rum blender. I have some fine old Canadian port wine I got into the local liquor store, and I have some white rum here. So I'm going to use that to blend the we're using all-purpose flour. It is all-purpose, pre-sifted. And it won't rise a lot. It's still
I go buy teacup.
What is that, teacup? Okay, if you're going to buy a teacup, make sure it looks like the ones that mom has.
baking powder and baking powder. Baking powder there. Soda. A teaspoon of baking soda. I'm just going to so I have cinnamon, and cinnamon we're just going to do 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. We have nutmeg. So if you have fresh nutmeg, that's great. If you don't have fresh nutmeg, you use what you have available to you. And 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg is usually, nutmeg is a very powerful spice, so 1/4 teaspoon is usually enough to give you your spices in when you're baking. So we just add those dry things together and go back to that and we're going to add our sugar, butter, egg mixture. Just gonna dump that in. Alright, so the more browning you put in it, the more molasses you put in it, the brown or darker brown color you get. So if you want it light brown, you add less. If you want it darker, you add more. Browning. The oven is already. Alright, let's add some vanilla to this before I forget. Just gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla because I only put it in one time. So let's just do a teaspoon of. Okay, let's put 2 teaspoons. Alright. Breadcrumbs. I'm just gonna add maybe a half a cup.